Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha Gaur and I hope you guys are keeping safe and fine. तो मैंने अभी फिनिश किया द फैमिली मैन 2 देख के and I'm amazed. And then I'm at another level. I'm in different universe. Amazing series. Like it's amazing. It's simple but in amazing ways in I don't know spectacular aspects. So yeah, आप मुझे नहीं जानते हैं. So I am not a consistent reviewer or something. In fact, this is my first video, and this is not about reviewing something or telling you guys to watch it or not, but it is a platform basically where you after finishing your series can come and look if you felt the same way. So I really like watching some good series, and I'm somebody who get trapped in the universe, and for some days, for some week, for some hours I'm there. I'm constantly thinking मैं उस दुनिया में चली जाती हूँ. एंड मेरे को आदत है कि आफ्टर वॉचिंग इट मैं जाती हूँ यूट्यूब पे या कहीं पे, एंड आई रियली लाइक वॉचिंग द रिव्यूज़ एंड आई went to Instagram pages about the reviews or people or their interviews because I want to know them personally like that. And I think हम लोगों में से आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे सोचते होंगे या ऐसा करते होंगे, तो आई थिंक ये प्लेटफॉर्म आपके लिए ही है. आप कुछ भी सीरीज़ या देखते हैं, अगर वो मैंने देखी है, मैंने वीडियो डाली है, आप उसे देख सकते हैं और आप फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं क्या आप भी सेम फील कर रहे हैं, एंड इट्स नॉट क्रेजी एट ऑल. So yeah, it's just like a random analysis and my point, my perspective, how the series had effect on me. And the very first thing, I was like watching for a random review, and from a person I usually prefer, and I got annoyed by his sentence that the series is long and I think meaningless, he said. And it was not only me, the whole comment section was like angry because the subscribers usually trust the person, then they subscribe and they come and watch the person. Okay, nobody subscribes until they want to watch you again. So I'll give you guys time. If this video went well, you can do that if you want to. And yeah, and if people subscribe you and trust you with your opinion to watch something, to spend their critical hours of the day, then you have responsibility. But then I hate the word meaningless. It's fine, it's your opinion about it, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But coming from a YouTuber who is so recognized. Anyways, let's talk about the first thing, length of the show. No, it's not at all lengthy. If you're just watching it because it's there and there's buzz, of course there is, but this buzz is not because of its great marketing. This buzz is there because the creators have put in so much, their time, their efforts. You can see the research done for each and every episode. It's just great, and that's why it is famous, that's why the buzz is there, and that's why people watch it. So yeah, talking about the length of the show, I don't think it's very lengthy. You just have to be in the right state of mind ki, okay, I'm gonna watch the family man 2, I'm gonna enter somebody's house, somebody's universe, I have to give my time. It's like you planning a visit to your friend's place for 4 or 5 hours and you are there. You will not say, oh yaar ye to bada lengthy ho gaya. No, you enjoy with them. Not necessarily you will have party or something, you will just talk, listen, absorb. That's it, that's what you do. And that if that with that mindset you are entering this world, you won't find it lengthy. Otherwise, just if you are watching it for the sake of the rush, that what happens, with the curiosity, what happens, then do one thing, move to the last episode and see. Anyways, it's not at all lengthy. It's about character development and getting the universe of Shrikant in our vision. When we watch series from foreign countries, we like them because we get to know the characters. How? By character building. That's what they are doing. They are building a character, they are building a story. We know each and every character, and if somebody asks us, can you give me 5 pointers about this person? You can give, and that is what? That is great writing, great direction, great cinematography. Moving to the characters, oh my god, the gym. Yes, Manoj Vajpayee is, Shrikant Tiwari is, But this time, the show is being stolen by Samantha. Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, I know her. I've seen few movies of her. But, if you haven't, can you imagine this girl and this girl? They are similar. I'm not talking about makeup. I'm not talking about looks. Go to her Instagram and see if this lady is even 1% similar to this lady. She's a trained commando. And when this happens, when you invest in your character. I was watching this girl, and for not even a second, she was Samantha to me. She was Reggie to me. Whole time. She's trained, and this training is not about physical power. It is about the emotional thing that she's going through, the mental pain she's going through, and it's like she is dead. She's just running, she's just breathing, she is dead, and she just don't care about her life. All she wanna do is just to satisfy her and just to take revenge. And when we get to know what happened to her, I don't know, I mean, things are messed up between politics and whatever happening to the world, but these people, the innocent people, they always get trapped, and that's her story. She's not able to figure out what to do. She's doing what she thinks is right, the way she can feel peace, she can find peace. But I really, really loved her character. It's genuinely, it brings you the female power. I know in wrong ways, but it's not in fact about female or male. It's about pain that someone goes through. She's the best performer. We know the legend Manoj Vajpayee and we expect him to be outstanding. But I think she's the best performer, as she was obviously the villain lead. And you don't feel this girl is glamorous or ever been. मतलब एक इंच इस बंदी का कभी ग्लैमरस रहा हो. बस आपको ये स्टोरी दिखता है उसके फेस पे, जो सैडनेस है व्हेन शी इज़ बीइंग teased, she's being teased in the bus or in the office, and when the guy was raping her literally, and she's getting the glimpse when he's beating her or slapping her, and you can see that how broken this person is and why this person is like this, why emotions are dead. And how emotions are so raw, when Manoj Vajpayee, Shrikant come and talk to her about this habit of his to fake a story with emotions so that the person can tell the truth, because Shrikant is a person who works with brain. He knows how to get things out. But then this girl understands emotions so well that she can feel he's lying. I mean, वो उसको बोलती है कि मेरी स्टोरी सच्ची है. और ये तब होता है जब आपने अपनी लाइफ में इतना इमोशन फील किया हो. एनीवेज, आई लव्ड हर कैरेक्टर. एंड प्रॉब्ली ये वो वाली सीरीज़ है जहाँ पे आप विलन को प्यार करने लग जाते हो. आपको पता है वो गलत है, बट आप उसको समझते हो कि ठीक है, ठीक है. And then Manoj Vajpayee, as always, is amazing. And Ashlesha Thakur, the girl who played Dhriti, she's bang on as a teenager. I mean, when I was watching her and now I'm an adult, I was so annoyed why she's like that. And but at some instances, I was feeling like, yeah, we were like that. I was like that. I not in that thing, but how we used to get annoyed on our parents. Just they were when they were checking on us, when they were worried about us. So that one thing. And that little cute Vedant Sinha, he is amazing. The kid who played Athare, I don't know how to pronounce it. That guy, Vedant has done an amazing job. He's like that, center of the family, nucleus of the family. कि कुछ भी फैमिली में गलत हो रहा है, वो बेचारा है वहाँ, उसको कोई अटेंशन नहीं दे रहा है, बट वो सबके लिए है. उसकी मम्मी को धृति ने मना कर दिया कि मेरे को नहीं जाना तुम्हारे साथ, तो वो बोलता है कि मैं चलूँगा. उसको उसके फादर को, श्रीकांत को कोई सी ऑफ नहीं करा, वो कहता है पापा मैं कर देता हूँ, चलो दरवाजे तक. सो ही इज़ दैट सेंसिबल सोल इन द फैमिली, दैट न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द फैमिली. And he knows people. He's young, so he's not being involved in things, but he wants that. He's so cute. His acting is adorable. I just felt like I'm watching my younger brother when we were young, and just like that. and the Tamil cast, amazing, amazing. One thing I really liked about it, they kept it raw. Like Tamilians speak in that language, okay. And there's this one thing when JK asked him कि हिंदी क्यों नहीं समझता, तो he said तेरे को हिंदी आती है तो कि सबको हिंदी आती होगी. I That was bang on point. See, we as Indians have, we are not very new. We have thousands of year old culture, and that's how we are, and it's totally okay. If somebody or a nation is happy with its mother tongue, it's totally fine. It's not an issue. But the need is of our is to understand, okay. And the way they showcase it, amazing, bang on. I really liked it, and always there are subtitles to read. And that scene where they are not talking in Hindi, they are talking it in raw Tamil or accent they wanted, it was actually keeping the show intact, very much intact. You were like, okay, you are in this world. Everything not happens around with people from north or with Hindi. There are issues. And jahan tak hai, in the end they showed that something with Nagaland is going to happen. I think they are going to do that also, so they are bringing out the topics that I think we were not aware of, pretty much. So yeah, we always thought ki okay, every state is doing fine, but I'm like amazed they have the guts, real guts to do things. So overall, it is a very amazing show. And what is left? What is left? The climax. Yes, I always like, it's second season now, and I always like their climax. It's the second time, but I can say always because I can understand the mindset now. It's not that is their only point. So there's one reviewer I told you about, and they were like, "Come to the point. Come to the point, dude. Everything is not about coming to the point. It's not about the destination. It's about the journey. So it's not like he's a superhero, he's given one task, he'll finish it and he'll save the earth and he'll be like, oh no. The climax is like, I think intentionally उसको ऐसे रखा जाता है कि यू नो वो फिनिश हो जाता है 10-15 मिनट में, पूरा जर्नी में मेहनत दिखाते हैं, देन उस टास्क को, मतलब जितना वो जर्नी में है इरेलीवेंस उतना ये नहीं कि बस वो वाला सीन लाइक टिपिकल बॉलीवुड मूवीज, सलमान खान मूवीज एंड एवरीथिंग, कि उसको हम आधा घंटा देंगे बाकी चीज़ें चलती रहे. नहीं, होता है, ख़त्म होता है, एंड दे आर बैक टू देयर प्लेसेस हैविंग सिप ऑफ कॉफ़ी टॉकिंग टू देयर वाइफ एंड एवरीथिंग. Why? Because he's doing this job for so many years now. He's, I think, facing these situations every year, every month, every week. So it's his passion towards it. It's not something after this he's going to be recognized as anything. In this he was recognized for saving life of PM and for the peaceful event that went between the signing of papers or something. But it's not always going to happen. So I like that thing. I think ये deliberately डालते हैं, and I like that thing how simple they keep the climax. कि this is the climax. They are not some superheroes who will beat the shit out of somebody. They fight with brain. They fight with bravery. They are not worried about their life, and they go to the fields without bulletproof jacket when they get the information. This is so raw, and it shows like how many people are doing that to save our life and to maintain integrity and security of our nation. So hats off to the series, hats off to the thought, hats off to the team for bringing out these issues, and amazing work, and the entertainment, the comedy dose, and the way Manoj Tiwari abuse, it just doesn't feel like he's abusing at all. It feels like he's just like a person I know from Delhi, a person I know from Mumbai, a person I know from Bangalore. He's just that, friend of yours. He's amazing, and his acting skills are not at all to be talked about. I know आपने देखा है series को, and I know how much you are in love with it. If there is anything you want me to talk about it, we will put it down in the comments, and we'll talk about it. So yeah, that's for now. It was not a review. It was not anything. It was just a random analysis by a unbiased viewer who loved the show. And probably I'll do this for more series. And if even I get 100, 200 views and a few comments, I'll be more than happy that, okay, my efforts are being understood. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaste. सब खुश रहे, सेफ रहे. Bye bye.